and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I mean, we're still going to play with makeup, so I guess it's not that different, but, a big but. I am doing a makeup look inspired by the makeup Facebook gave me. You know those silly little like questionnaires or little things you can do on Facebook? Well, this one was about changing my hair color, but the makeup they gave me, I was like, I love that makeup. I'm doing that makeup. So today I'm going to recreate this on my face. We're gonna see if it comes out that way. I don't know if it's going to, but we're really going to attempt it and just see what happens. I'm pretty excited about it and I want to see where this goes. So we're just going to go ahead and get right into the tutorial portion of this. And I'm going to be using this palette along with a couple of singles and some other things. I'm going to do my full face except for my eyebrows because my brows take forever on camera. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's get into this. Okay, so the first shade I go ahead in is with Hide and Seek, and I'm using this more as a transition shade and just to put some color in and above the crease. And I'm using a very dense kind of fluffy brush to do this. Then I go in with Swoop, and I'm using a much looser fluffy brush, and I'm placing this on the outer V of my eye because I want to deepen and darken that area to make it mimic the look that is in the picture. So I'm just doing that. It goes slightly into the crease also. Then I take All Nighter and I'm using an e.l.f. crease brush. It's a lot denser and I'm kind of packing that color on. I go back in with the brush that I had Swoop on as well as Hide and Seek and kind of blend everything together. Then I'm using this Peridot shade from Sparrow Cosmetics. I think this green matches very well with the green that is in the picture. It is the closest I had in my collection anyway. Then I use the Butter London Glazen Lustrous Liner that I got in my BoxyCharm. And one thing I love about having darker eyeshadow at the edge of my eye is that it hides any mistakes I make with my wing. It is a beautiful thing to do kind of a smoky eye. Yes. And then I use my Maybelline the Colossal Volume Express Mascara, and I just put that on my upper lashes. I'm not too worried about doing perfect mascara here because I am going to place falsies. Then I go in with my Muse Face Primer, and I put that everywhere. I put it everywhere, people. Then rub it in your face. Rub it. Rub it, rub it, rub it. Then I use my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation, and I have used the shade 150. I wanted to use this foundation just because it gives me a little more full coverage than any other foundation I have in my collection. I didn't quite build it up to full coverage though because I'm not a full coverage person. Then I use the Tarte Shape Tape, and I place this under my eyes, on my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, basically everywhere that I consider the center of my face. And then I just blend it in. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in Fair Light. And we're going to put that all over my face. And I do use my beauty sponge. I personally like to use it that way. It's one of those techniques I actually learned from a beauty guru and really like. Then we're going back into the Nightingale palette, and I'm going to use the shade All Nighter, and I'm using that really thin Alamar Cosmetics brush we got in our BoxyCharm. Then I do go in with a different brush and like smudge it out. Now we're going in with the same mascara on the lower lash line. Next, we're going in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Subconscious. I used this brush this time to contour. I was trying something else out. I felt like doing something new than my typical contour. Oh, sorry, I blocked you with the palette. Then I'm going in with this Ofra blush. I don't quite know the shade. Once I find it, I will let you know. I'm not taking this onto the apples of my cheeks. If you notice in the picture, the blush is kind of further back. Then I go in with my Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter in Kitten, and I just lightly highlight my face. For me, lightly highlight my face. Now I'm using these eyelashes. These are like anime lashes and my Duo lash glue. I'm just gonna let you guys know, this was the most frustrating part of the entire tutorial. If I do lashes, I hate doing them on camera. And I hardly ever wear lashes anymore. It used to be a thing where I thought I had to wear lashes with every single look. I did edit a lot of these struggles out because a lot of it has me like swearing at the camera and like throwing things. Yes, I threw a fit because I could not get them to work. So I just put in the parts where it worked because no one needs to see that side of me. This eye in particular was the most frustrating. I did get lash glue all over it, and I do go back in later and kind of fix it. This is really where I was like, F you eyelashes. I'm not even kidding. And I try not to swear on camera. I work with kids, so it's really easy for me not to. But there are times where things come out of my mouth and I'm just like, that was nice, Danielle. That was classy. Good job. Oh my goodness. So yes, I did not put the full struggle because I look ridiculous. Then I just go in with that same green shade and I'm putting it over the lash glue and just kind of fixing it. The good thing is the lash glue was a little tacky and I was able to. But yeah. Then I take the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Video Vixen. Oh yeah. And I place that on my lips. I do have a darker shade, but that I think would have matched better. But we're not putting that one on camera because I already have too many products from said brand. Well, there it is. There's the look. Well, here is the final look. Here is the picture again. How do you guys think I did? I'm not a fan of my lashes, but overall I think I captured the essence of the look. You will have to let me know down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. It does mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much. I do hope that you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are, and bye!